When Shoes Learned to Dance. A short moral story. In a quiet village, there lived a lonely shoemaker named Theo. Every night, he placed his handmade shoes on the windowsill, hoping someone would buy them. But no one came. One night, as the moonlight spilled into the shop, something magical happened. The shoes began to dance. The red boots tapped joyfully, the silver heels twirled, and the tiny sneakers bounced in rhythm. Theo awoke to the sound of laughter and music. He peeked out and was amazed. His shoes were dancing. The next day, villagers gathered outside his shop, curious about the lively music they'd heard. When Theo showed them the dancing shoes, they gasped in wonder. Soon, everyone wanted a pair. Children giggled as their new shoes waltzed. Even grumpy Mr. Barton cracked a smile when his boots performed a jig. Theo's shop became the happiest place in town. But the shoemaker knew the real magic wasn't in the shoes, it was in the joy they brought. Moral: sometimes, a little joy and creativity can turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. Thank you for watching.